Have you ever wondered, why don't lions grill the meat they hunt? Why don't cats boil fish? Or why don't monkeys cook bananas before eating them? After all, cooked food is safer, softer, and easier to digest. So why are humans the only species that cook? The answer involves evolution, intelligence, and one of the biggest reasons humans became the most dominant species on Earth. Part 1. Animals don't understand the concept of cooking. For most animals, food is simply something they need to eat to survive. They don't understand that heat can transform food, making it softer, safer, and more nutritious. A lion that catches a zebra eats it immediately. An eagle that catches a fish swallows it raw, because for them, raw food is already enough. They have no need to change it into something else. Part 2. Cooking requires fire. Cooking is impossible without fire, and controlling fire is an extremely rare ability. Scientists believe that humans started using fire nearly 1 million years ago. Fire wasn't only used for cooking. It provided warmth. It scared away predators. And it allowed humans to stay active after sunset. No wild animal has ever been known to create and maintain fire the way humans do. Without fire, cooking simply cannot exist. Part 3. Cooking requires tools. Cooking isn't just about fire. It also requires tools and planning. Humans invented knives, pots, and countless other cooking utensils. Most animals, however, are unable to create complex tools. Some species, like chimpanzees, crows, and sea otters, can use simple tools, but their abilities are still far behind those of humans. Cooking requires a level of technology that animals simply don't possess. Part 4. Animals don't like waiting. Cooking takes time, and time means delaying gratification. A hungry wolf doesn't think, "I'll roast this meat for 15 minutes first." It simply eats. Humans, on the other hand, have the ability to sacrifice immediate pleasure for greater rewards later. Psychologists call this delayed gratification, and it is considered one of the signs of advanced intelligence. Part 5. Cooking helped humans evolve. Many scientists believe that cooking played a major role in human evolution. Cooked food is easier to chew and digest. That means the body can extract more energy from it. And that extra energy may have helped fuel the growth of the human brain. In other words, cooking may be one of the reasons humans became so intelligent. Without cooking, human civilization might never have developed the way it did. Part 6. Are there any animals that almost cook? Interestingly, some animals come surprisingly close. Experiments have shown that chimpanzees understand that cooked food tastes better. In some studies, they were even willing to wait in order to receive cooked food, but they still cannot create fire, nor can they develop cooking traditions like humans. So although some animals are incredibly intelligent, cooking remains an ability that belongs almost exclusively to humans. Part 7. What would happen if humans never learned to cook? Imagine a world where humans never discovered fire. We would still be eating raw meat and uncooked plants. Our bodies would spend far more energy digesting food. Our brains might never have grown as large as they are today. Cities, technology, and modern civilization might not even exist. Something as ordinary as cooking may have changed the course of history forever. Conclusion. So why don't animals cook their food? Because cooking requires many things at once: the ability to control fire, the use of tools, planning, patience, and a high level of intelligence. These abilities combined are what make humans unique, and perhaps something as simple as cooking food is one of the reasons humans were able to build civilizations, create technology, and shape the world we live in today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, because there are many more fascinating science facts and mysteries of life waiting to be explored.